Dear students, let us create this mechanism. This is basically a foot pump. This is little bit difficult to make. Let us go through this. First, let us make a base point. No need to show it initially horizontal, but let us make it fixed. Go to parametric and lock this point. Also again lock as an object to this, and then let us give dimension to this as this is 5. Fine. Now let us create link, the first link. So we are going to create this part. Okay, and using this we need to create the cylinder, so we need to create a block. To create the block, let us copy this because we want to maintain the degree. So let us offset it say 0.5 to this side, and let us have a line closed, again offset with 1 unit to this side to trim other thing, and let us create a circle point in the center. So circle and erase this. We need to make this a block. Before giving block, if you want to give the dimensions, then you can give it. Say this dimension is 1, whichever we have already given. Again align dimension, and this dimension should be also 0.5. Can hide it, hide it. Now create block, giving block command. Let us give this as a slider. Select the object and make sure it is on convert to block. There is no need to specify the base point. Say OK. So now this is a block. Fine. Now this link length I want to fix, so again give dimensions to this. This is showing 3. Let's make it 4. I have taken imperial unit, so this is equivalent to inch, and you can further increase if required. Will be increasing it. Now let us have a pin joint using this coincident constraint. This should be with this. So this is ready, you can check it. Now the angle is changed. Now we want to make this point sliding on this, so again we'll be selecting pin joint and select this, and don't select this but instead select object option and select this. Okay, so now we can see this is aligned. Okay, but see this remains always with this degree, so again we need to give a parallelism, parallel this and this. So make it parallel this and this. Okay, now let us check it. And now this is conveniently moving. Okay, very good, very nice. Let us put this at some degree. Yes. Now we want to draw this link, this one. So there is something already available. So first create it separately. There is a line and there is another line. Actually this link we are going to draw, but this link is made of these 2 lines we need to make, 1 and 2. So that practice I am going to do. Let us join this and this with pin. Let us give these dimensions. Say this is 1.5, and similarly let us say this to be 0.5. Okay, but this is not parallel, so we will be making this collinear. So make these and these to be collinear, and now this is completely single, will behave like a single link. Okay, now we are going to make this a pin joint, this with this. This is very closer. Now I want to make these to be connected with this, but for the same this length is much, so I should decrease this. So instead of this 5, let us make it show all. Double click on this and make this 4 to to make it closer. Yes, 4 is good. Let us move this little bit so that there is no confusion here. Now I am going to make a pin joint with center of this to this, and it is connected. Now again hide all, select this just to check whether it is moving. Yes, it is moving, but we want to provide this angle. To do this, let us draw something here to conveniently this length. Also give dimensions to this. It is showing some 2.6. let us make 2.5, and pin joint this with this, but we don't want to change this degree, so also give degree from here, and this whatever degree we will be accepting it, say 118. Again hide. Now this is ready. Let us put this downside and see, this is moving, this is completely moving. Okay, see this? Yes, that is done, absolutely done.